I'm going to show you today how I make my winter veg stew. It's a perfect dish for on a cold, grey, damp days, and you just need something that not only will warm you up, but warm your soul as well. So this is very easy, and I have nothing against meat-based stews. However, sometimes I just have a fridge full of vegetables that I need to use up, and this is a great way of doing it and tastes great too. So this is all I do, is cut my vegetables into quite large chunks, starting off here with a leek. Just add this to the pan, and I'm going to just add about a tablespoon of oil just to help it. So we'll add that to the pan, and while that is softening, now it is important to clean your leeks, and I have already washed these leeks. Next, I'm going to get on with my carrots. Got a couple of quite fat carrots here, and I like the vegetables to be quite thick and chunky. So I really just cut it in half, and then I quarter each half. But cut them however you like. This is your stew. Do as you please with it. Drop those into the pot as well. Got a stick of celery. Let's get rid of that in. And again, not quite as large and chunky, but still quite large. I don't like this to be a mush. I like to be able to identify what it is that I'm eating on each bite. I've got 2 parsnips, and I'm going to really just treat these the same as the carrots. I want them in fairly large chunks. It also helps to have everything really the same size, as it will help everything cook evenly. And a couple of sweet potatoes. Again, I have an aubergine here, and I want these cut into nice, large, bite-sized pieces. The aubergine's fantastic too. It's like a sponge. It will just drink up any flavours that it comes in contact with. The pot's getting a bit full here. Just give it a stir about. It smells so good already. So I've got 3 cloves of garlic here. I'm just going to crush these with my hand. You can also use the back of a knife, the flat of a knife I should say. And I'm putting these in whole, just peeling off the papery skin and dropping them in. couple of bay leaves, strip the leaves of a few stalks of thyme into our pot. I think there's something about having the vegetables all cut up into large chunks like this that is almost meat-like. I'm just going to mince in a little ginger. I don't bother peeling this. Some extra fibre. And some vegetable stock, and by that I mean a veg stock pot. And some water. I just want to add water until it almost covers all my vegetables. And then I am going to tip in a can of drained and washed butter beans. And add a little salt. Not too much now, because depending on your stock, it could be quite salty. And I'm going to season well once it's cooked. So that's it. Now I just need to let this come back to the boil, put on a lid and turn the heat down to low, let it simmer away for about 45 minutes or until all the vegetables are tender. The stew's now had its time on the hob, and it should have reduced and thickened and all the vegetables will be really soft. I've got a bowl here with some couscous in it, and I do like this with couscous, and that's very easy to do as well. Just pour some couscous into a large bowl and cover with boiling water. It smells so good. Wait patiently for it, and I cannot wait to dive in. I should have seasoned this beforehand, but I'll add a little here, and then I will season. See, my impatience is getting the better of me. So good, so tasty. It sometimes amazes me how we can get so much flavour from some simple basic ingredients. If you like this recipe and want to keep up to date with all my others, please subscribe below and turn on notifications.